Hello again, and if you just finished the thrilling part 3 video, you must be ready for part 4, where we finish off the Bond Excel project by comparing interest expense under straight line and effective interest method. So we've already done chart 1 and chart 2. We're going to do chart 3. So your data here will be empty, and we're supposed to come up with straight line interest expense for the premium and the discount case. So let's look at the premium sheet. And here we have interest expense. This is done under the effective interest method. Well, also that means that the amortization occurs under the effective interest method, because these three are a journal entry and they all net out to 55,000, excuse me. So basically, the effective interest method is telling us, and I'm not trying to teach a whole bunch of accounting here, but just to understand where we're getting our straight line from and why it's different. The effective interest method is telling us how to apply this amortization over the life of the bond. So we're taking, for the premium case, we're taking part of that 5,242 and using it to reduce interest expense every period. And every period we're reducing the premium balance. Okay, similarly with the discount, the effective interest method here is telling us how to amortize, which automatically dictates what our interest expense is going to be. But you could straight line it. You should assume, unless told otherwise, that it's effective interest method. That's the preferred method. But for some problems, you are going to use the straight line, frankly, because it's just faster and easier to do. Effective interest method takes longer. Okay, so we go to our chart data. The premium interest expense is going to be the amount of a payment minus the amortization over the life of the bond. So we take the original issue premium, and there's 6 payments. And just to make life easy, we just go, all we have to do is point in the first cell, and it's straight line. They're all the same, hence straight line. For the discount case, go to the discount. It's the payment minus the original issue discount divided by 6. Oh, excuse me. The discount, actually, the amortization increases interest expense. And there we have it. Okay. Now we're going to chart 3. We have nothing in here. And, you know, if you have a better way of doing this, go for it. But I am more of a get her done kind of person. Switch these. And let's see, amortization of premium, amortization of discount, remove, 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 remove. Okay, that's looking good to me. All right, I want to add a chart title. So I'm going to let you finish it off, but I'm going to put premium case, effective interest method versus this, just to make the title a little shorter. I don't have to say method twice. Okay, and you make it look pretty, probably bold it and put a takeaway message, carriage return, put a takeaway message on there, okay? All right, now, boy, that is just a god-awful color. I'm just gonna change it. And I'm gonna up it. Well, let me pick a dash type here. The dash is kind of small, so maybe take this one up to 3 I don't mind this color so much, but it's just not really working in the chart, in my opinion. Okay, once again, do the dash lines, because if you print it out, you want there to be a distinction between the changing the marker colors over here too to match. You want there to be a distinction. I didn't really seem to change them. Let's see. Marker. Okay, well, good enough. So the scale, I think the scale's fine. You know, and put the text boxes next to the line and finish it off. But the scale's good. You know, it's maybe we could raise the min up to 4,000. Maybe do that. Whoa. I'm going to go back on that, whatever I did. I don't want. Must have put too many zeros in there or something. 4,000. Let's see how that looks. And, oh, no, that's not what I meant to do. I meant to put the minimum of 4,000. There we go. Okay, so it's, you know, a little larger. It's taking up the graph, a little easier to see. So that's that one. Now the last one, and then you're home free. Remember, put the text boxes in. Let's see, chart data. So this last one, I'm going to go start from scratch, and let's see, I prefer, we're doing all line charts here. Select data. Once again, I'm just going to select the whole kit and caboodle. I'm going to swap these two and remove, 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 and remove. Holy cow, those are, it's like LSU colors. Those are crazy. And that's good to start. Move chart. New sheet. Chart 4 SL discount. Okay, and here we are. Take this, move it over to the end, put everything in order, and see if I can just, if this doesn't let you copy these. Doesn't appear to be letting me copy it, but I can copy paste the text. Oh, this font is much better. Okay. Oops, meant to do the whole thing there. Bold it. Once, and also carriage return, put a hard return, and write a takeaway message. Pick my dashes here. And all right, I'm going to stick with these colors. 3 is good enough. Let's see, minimum. Yeah, we put the minimum at 5,700. Yeah, that's a little too low. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. Label each axis with text boxes, please. And that should do it. Looks pretty good. Takeaway message up below the descriptive title, put a takeaway, label, text boxes, and then this would be done. Okay, well that's it for the Bond Excel project. And I will see you later, hopefully.